Okay, what is this? This is a small ring stretcher. It's portable. You can take it with you when you need to size a ring, make it bigger. You can't reduce it, but you can definitely make the ring bigger. Now, can this be used in the process of making coin rings? Coin rings are a little different than some bands. Most bands are thin. Coin rings range from thin to thick. Okay, so today I'm going to see, can this pure silver band be stretched on this? All right, what's the pros? What's the cons? All right, this is a size 7. It's pretty thick, but it's a soft metal, 0.999 fine silver. Okay, before I put it on this mandrel or this ring stretcher, I'm going to anneal it. I'm going to apply some heat. And then I'm going to quench it. And from there, I'll place it on here and see, can I get this size 7 to a size 8? So let's try it out, okay? All right, so let me tell you the dynamics of this. You have this rod that you place right in the core of this stretcher, okay? And the whole point, about to fall, the whole point is that you want to push this further down, and as you push it, these small spindles on each side should stretch the ring, okay? And then you should also see the end of this come out, all right? And the ring is going to stretch as this presses down. That's the theory, okay? Now, the only thing that I'm worried about is, will it ruin the detail inside the coin ring? My guess is this: if you put a small covering around these metal spindles, it may protect the inside detail. But if you're cleaning the detail out of your coin ring, all you have to do is continue to sand out it from maybe 100 grit to 3000 grit after you finish stretching it, and it should allow that any nicks and scratches to be removed. Okay, they're my suggestions if you use this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first I'm going to anneal this coin. I'm gonna apply some heat to it. All right, so I apply some heat to the coin. Now I'm going to quench it in some water. It's too hot to touch. All right, so now that I have the temperature down, I drop the temperature. All right, now I'm going to place it on the mini ring mandrel. So what I want to do is place it here. All right, put it on nice and stuck. Remember, it's a size 7. I show that. Okay, size 7. All right. All right. We want to see, can we get it down to a size 8 at least? All right, we want to try that. All right. Place that down. All right, got it on nice and snug. I'm not worried about the detail of this coin because I'm going to smooth that out. Then you want to place this in. Now, you want to make sure that you have enough clearance space for the rod that comes out from the bottom, okay? So I'm gonna use one of my dies. I'm gonna turn it around to the smaller side. It shouldn't damage it. I'm going to place it just like so, like that. I'm going to take this right here is a 2-pound mallet. You can use the 1 pound if you have it, brass mallet. What you want to do is just hit it. All right, as you see, more of this is coming out. So you know that it's stretching this as it goes down, right? Now, I'm gonna try to pull it out. If I find it too difficult for me to pull out, what you wanna do is just tap the bottom. You can do like so, you know? Get a little bit more clearance. And just tap it. There we go. Tap it right out. That's how you can get it out. And the ring will still be on the mandrel. Let's see what size we got it down to. All you gotta do is stretch it off. All right. So my mandrel, to check my size, it's right here. And we got it down to a sole size 8. So it did work. So for a ring, coin ring, it can work. But as I said before, the inside is definitely messed up. So you would have to put something on there to protect it. I'll show you an inside picture of that. But it did work on a .999 fine silver. This device does the job. It does stretch your coin rings 1 full size, and maybe even more. The further down that you put it down, this device here. Now the size 8 could easily turn to a size 9, a size 10, the further down it goes. To protect the inside, I would probably put some shop towel around it, okay? That helps protect the details, especially when you do things like also use it on a regular ring stretcher. So, device costs $20. As you make more coin rings, you'll be able to make more money. You can invest in a ring stretcher. Then you can invest in a more expensive, durable ring stretcher like the Pepe Tools. And you also have a ring reducer plate, which also helps you to make the ring smaller if you need to decrease the size of the ring. So these are things that you can progress to. I bought this because I saw a person use it, Mr. Doughboy 357. He was using it, so I went and purchased this. But I never really used it on my rings because I had a ring stretcher. But if I was out at a fair and I had to make a ring bigger, I probably would use this device. So I hope this helps. Thank you for asking me the question, sending me the email. If anyone has any questions, please email me at jtcoinrings@gmail.com. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you next video. Peace.